This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious meatless nachos. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need a large bag of your favorite tortilla chips, about 2 cups of shredded cheese, and any other toppings you love. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to make cleanup a breeze after enjoying your tasty snack. Now it's time to build those amazing layers. Start by spreading about half of your tortilla chips in a single, even layer across the parchment-lined baking sheet. Next, sprinkle approximately 1/3 of your shredded cheese evenly over these chips. Then, add a portion of your chosen meatless toppings, such as black beans, corn, or a dollop of salsa, ensuring good coverage for every chip. Let's finish building our nacho masterpiece. Repeat the layering process with the remaining tortilla chips, cheese, and your delicious meatless toppings. Once all layers are complete, place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to ensure the chips don't get too brown or crispy. Your incredible meatless nachos are ready. Carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven using sturdy oven mitts. Now for the finishing touches. Garnish your warm nachos with fresh cilantro, a few slices of jalapeno for a kick, or a generous dollop of sour cream or guacamole. Serve them immediately to enjoy the perfect combination of crispy chips and gooey, flavorful toppings. Enjoy your delicious, homemade snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.